thought the game went really well. We've competed against a brilliant team, third best in Europe, and I think we come off disappointed to draw the game, had opportunities to win the game. I thought the players' application to the game was fantastic. They expressed themselves in possession, out of possession, this shape was good. They took on the messages from the coaches in preparation for the game, which eventually led to the result today.
I thought the lads showed great resilience to come back from 2 goals twice. To keep driving on until the final whistle was fantastic. Just to keep on trying, because you never know who's watching you.
I think we did well to go a goal behind first of all, and then to come back and then to concede again. But we've kept fighting and our spirit was there, and to play on this pitch is absolutely fantastic, which helped us.
For weeks we've been waiting for the game. We went up to Lilleshall to play them in the tournament, and should have won the game there, drew 3-3, but the occasion, the facilities, the fans, it was just an unreal moment.
Battled. I'd say we were on top more, but to be fair to England, they gave us a good go. We held them from down in Lilleshall. We were 3-0 up, came back, we drew in the end. A bit disappointing today, they went a goal ahead, but the determination out there and the side of the lads were unbelievable. Every single one of them just gave it all. We got back on top. Fortunately, we didn't get the win, but a draw will do us for now. It's just a stepping stone now to build on. We have great staff behind us, backing us all the way. Can ask for better people to be looking after us. The lads in there are unbelievable themselves as well. Every single one of them, there's a lot of potential. They give everything, training, in matches, discipline. It's great. Can't ask for a better bunch of lads.
We were very unlucky not to get the win, with Abs hitting the bar, and we had a few good chances, but I thought it went well.
I think for the home nations what's important is bringing the younger players through, giving them the opportunity to go and express themselves under the provision we provide. We've got a fantastic team of coaches who go above and beyond for the players, and I think it sets up our younger age group now in a month's time to go and show what they can do.
As a team, we've put our name on the map. Wales football, not just LD, from the seniors to the women's, is rising. I mean, so much talent. We'll just keep going as we are, just keep working hard, keep playing hard, and then, soon we'll be rewarded.